So hi, I'm doing a nature walk with my dad. Look at these big trees. Look up into the sky and see the nature. So here are some flowers. Some nice white ones with some weird bugs on. Look at the nice ivy on the tree. The nice river flowing and the yellow plants around it. There's lots of trees and trees are good. This is weird. All of these nice flowers, my mum would probably really like them. These big leaves. This has been a good nature walk so far. Look at these other flowers, they're really nice and white. Look at all of these nettles, there's so much. Look and see how the river's doing. Look at the nice river ooze there. Oh, that's a boat. I had to zoom in on that. That's cool, isn't it? Look at this fast boat. There's one coming up. Fire here. I wonder who did this. It would have probably been fun. Look at this nice tree. It has lots of branches, don't you think? So let's go walk up here with each other. Let's go. Phew. Look at this big field. Blueberries. These blueberries are weird. I don't know what they are. They might be blueberries. I don't know. All of these purple flowers and trees. Don't you think this field is really nice and beautiful? And all of the trees and the nature. Look at all these nice daisies and blue and yellow flowers. These are so good. And the grasshoppers here make a weird noise, don't you think? These poppies and these more of the purple flowers. Beautiful. Guys, look at all of this. Let's go down and see what's in here. Let's see what's in this mysterious place. There's lots of nettles. I need to watch out for those. Oh, there's a path going up. Let's go left. Ooh, can you hear that bird call? Oh, there was a bird there. I wonder what bird that could have been. It's coming from that direction. Bet you're as curious as I am what's around here. I wonder what it is. Look at that big leaf. Can you see that light at the end? That tree is really big. Oh look, 3 magpies. 3 magpies there. Can you see the 3 magpies? The 3 magpies are there. Is that for a boy? I think it's for a girl. Alright, let's go. Let's go. I see 3 magpies. There's 3 for a girl. Let's see if we can see any more. It doesn't look like there's any more birds down there. Let's go on from here. Let's go down here because my dad saw some magpies here. See, look, the magpies are at that tree. Look.